Hello class, this is CLIFFORD. I'm taking you with mathematics for class 3 today, and today we are taking one step ahead of what we did previously. Previously we did skip counting forward. Now we are trying to skip count backwards. Now skip counting backwards is similar to forward, but what we are going to do over here is we are going to move backwards in a specific interval. This means that we are going to subtract within a specific amount of numbers. So let's take an example. Let's say we have a number like 20, and our main motive for this is to skip count backwards by 5. And the number we have here is 20. Now what it means is we have to subtract 5 from it. Okay, so you know what? I've changed my mind. Let's decrease the number to 5, to 2 rather, from 5 to 2. So I've changed it to 2. I want to make things very simple for us. So with 20, we are skipping counting backwards by 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to subtract, or better still, take away. Those of you who have been buying books actually, you understand take away. So take away what? 2. So we have 20 right here minus 2. 20 minus 2. You have 0 over here. So what you do is you borrow. You all borrow. So you borrow 1 from here. Leaving here with 1. Here becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 gives you what? I like that. 8. Who said it? I really like that. Leaving here with 1. There's nothing here. So it becomes like this. 18. If you want the next number, you subtract 2 from this. 8 minus 2 gives what? 6. Leaving here with 1 gives you 16. Now let's try. You can use any object you have to reduce the numbers. Now we have 16 over here. You remove 2 from it. When you remove 2 from it, what are you getting? 14. Then what else? Remove 2 from 14, you get what? 12. Then remove 2 again. 10. I hope you are following what you are doing. See, it's very, very interesting. Now, let's take another one again. Number 2. And we will take a number quite big a bit, but don't be scared. Like 500. What you are going to do is you are going to take 2 from it. Just 2. You have 500. And I'm taking 2 from it.
Go.
So you know what? We are going to count backwards. I hope you are following. Backwards. So we have 500 here. We are going to count backwards. So we have to subtract by 2. So let's say 500 minus 2. As we did over there. Oh, we have 0 over here. So what we do is we go and borrow from the next number. Oh, but it's 0. So I think this person is also going to borrow from the next number. When the person comes here, it's going to borrow just 1. Leaving here with 4. Then here becomes 10. Now this person will come back to borrow. Leaving here with 9. And here becomes 10. It's very, very simple. Now 10 minus 2. That gives you what? 8. Very good. Now 9 drops down. Then your 4 also drops down. So the next number is going to be 498. Now let me help you with this. We are going backwards again by 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to subtract 2 2 from it. Now we have 498. We take 2 from it. 8 minus 2. That gives you what? 6. Like that. 9 drops down. 4 also drops down. So the next number is going to give you 496. Now what will be the next number if you are to skip counting backwards by 2? Over here you are going to get 494. What the next one? 490. Oh, sorry. 492. So this is what skip counting backwards is all about. You are always going backwards within a specific interval. Now let's try and upgrade ourselves a bit by skipping counting tens. In tens. Okay. Now over here you have 80. The next number, they subtracted 10 from it. That they went backwards 10 to give you 70. So if you want the next number, what do you think they have to do? It's the same thing. You subtract 10 from it. So 70 minus 10. 0 minus 0. 0. 7. You have 7. And someone has come for you, and you are owing 1. How many do you have now? 6. Very simple. Give you 60. If you subtract 10 from 60, what do you get? 50. I like that. Subtract 10 again from it. 40. I hope you have the same answers. If you don't, please go about your work again, because you may have some little mistakes. So please check over if you don't have the same answers. Now, okay, so let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is also demanding us to do the same thing, skip count backwards by 10. So what it means is you subtract 10 from the number you got to get the next number, Very simple. So over here, we have 700. And they took 10 from it. And they ended up with 690. So if we want the next number, what we are going to do is, we're also going to subtract 10 from 690. How we are following me? 0 minus 0 gives you 0. 9 minus 1 gives you 8. Then a 6 drops down, giving you 680. Now 680 minus 10. 0 minus 0 gives you 0. 8 minus 1 gives you 7. And a 6 drops, giving you 670. Now try the last one your own self and tell me what you got. That's nice. When you do it, you're going to get 606. Now let's go to the number 3. We have 800 here. And what are we to do? We are to skip count backwards by 10. So what we do is we write 800 minus 10. 0 minus 0 gives you 0. Now, I don't think you use what I'm saying. I'm saying 80 minus 1. So if you have 80 and you take 1 from it, what are you getting? You get 79. Give you 790. Are you loving it? Don't worry, I wish we were here. 790. Now 790 minus 10. Remember, we are skipping counting backwards. So over here, 0 minus 0 gives you 0. 9 minus 1 gives you 8. And the 7 drops, giving you 780. Then if you move ahead and subtract 10 from the 780, it gives you 770. Now, try to the book. Subtract 10 from it and put it in. How do you get it? You get 760. I really like that. So this is what it means to skip counting backwards. It means you have to go backwards by tenths. That's what it means by skip counting backwards by tenths. So in another way, you have to subtract by tenths. You know what? I'll add an exercise to the video so that you will do it to help you understand what you have done very, very well. I really appreciate you and I wish to see your work so that we have a lot of fun interacting.